your first $200 with Clickbank. Inside of this video, I'm going to be going over a 7-day challenge. So you're going to learn exactly what it takes within 7 days to make your first $200. So if you follow along with this challenge and everything I'm sharing with you inside this video, you'll be set up to start earning $200 every 7 days. If you follow exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you inside this video on how to set it up. And if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you're going to be able to follow along with the update whenever the 7-day challenge is over with to see the results of what I've been able to accomplish in 7 days using my own strategy. Now, to make this challenge fair, I have to create a brand new YouTube channel using my strategy, and I have to have a brand new Clickbank account as well. I can't use any of my existing social media following, and so I have to do this from scratch as if I were you. Now, for whatever reason, if within the 7 days I do not hit $200, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving away $50 to a random individual who comments underneath this video. So that's right, if you go ahead and comment underneath this video anything that you want, I will go ahead and use a random software to select the winner of this video if I do not meet the challenge of making $200 within 7 days of starting up my YouTube channel, a new Clickbank account, and utilizing my strategies. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer, where I'm going to share with you step by step exactly what my plan is to make $200 within 7 days and the tools that I'll be using in this process. So this $200 in 7 days, this is a Clickbank challenge, and in this challenge, obviously, I'm going to be going over how it's possible to make $200 within 7 days. I'm actually going to be doing this from scratch with a brand new Clickbank account, and I just wanted to go through the steps with you. There's actually 6 steps that I'm going to have to take in order to make this work, in order to, obviously make $200. So the first step is to create a review channel, and which I did. It's called Todd's Review, and I'm gonna have to get a channel banner for this, which you guys should as well, and then also a icon for my YouTube channel as well. And I like to go over to Fiverr to actually get that created in order to make my channel look really good. So I've done that on this personal channel, and then I have other channels that I've created as well, but they're not in this type of niche. I could have easily created reviews on this YouTube channel and easily made $200 within 7 days, but for somebody who's brand new starting out, you want to see what it takes in order to make that happen off of a brand new channel. And so I'm going to be sharing that with you on this YouTube channel as well. So what I'm going to do right now is go over to step number 2, which is getting buyers traffic. Okay, this is the buyers traffic method. I've been using this strategy since 2012, and so it works extremely well, and I don't see this strategy dying anytime soon. And so, like, whenever you look on here where it says big launches, this website is called jvzoo.com. Basically, the top sellers here on this website, these are products that are already out in the marketplace but don't have that much visibility. If you know anything about product launches, especially in the digital space where people are looking to make money online or use products to enhance their business, designs, whatever, like people come out with a lot of different types of softwares and apps and all this kind of stuff. What happens is they have friends. They don't just launch this product by themselves. They launch this product with other people just like them who have email lists of people who bought products from them personally. So what they do is they go ahead and send out emails to their email list. These individuals will go to Google, they'll go to YouTube, and they're going to look up for more information on the product, and that's where we come into play. That's where we're kind of like reaching our hand out like a safety net for these people who are coming to these videos or looking for more information on these products. Most of the times they want to know, like, are there other products that I have to buy after this product? How many upsells are there? We're going to know all this information just by going on these 3 websites right here. So this one is jvzoo.com, and whenever you click on the affiliate details, it's going to tell you how much the product is, what's the upsells behind it, how much commissions you can make, what the product's about, and usually they have a video explaining exactly what the video is about, even if the product hasn't hit the marketplace yet. So this other website over here is called Munch-I. Munch-I is a launch board. A lot of people who will go ahead and launch their new products to the marketplace will launch their products right here on these forums, and this whole concept right here, that's why I put like immediate traffic, because these products already hit they've already launched, they're already out in the marketplace. Right now, this product over this website right here is basically, you can get ahead of the curve by ranking your videos, your YouTube videos, right before the launch of the product, and then that way you'll be able to get a lot of the juice from the people who are looking for reviews of the product whenever they do launch the product. They even give you the dates of when it's going to launch, so you can almost expect when the traffic's going to hit your website and whenever you're going to start to make sales with that product or products that you're promoting. And this last website over here is the very first website that I found online, period. This is what I started with. It's called jvnotifiedpro.com, and this website is exactly identical to Munch Eye. You will see a lot of different products on here, primarily Clickbank products on this website, and over here you can see that there's a lot of JVZoo products, a lot of other products on this launch board from Munch Eye. If you want to piggyback off of Clickbank launches, a lot more of these launches will be on this website called JV Notified Pro. Now, hopefully you guys get the whole concept here. I created a YouTube channel, and my whole concept is to create reviews around these products out here in the marketplace. Okay, so there's a lot of products to go after, and there's no shortage of products launching, and there won't be anytime soon. Step number 3 is I created a brand new Clickbank account. So it has never made any sales in this Clickbank account, and I'm going to be using this Clickbank account and revealing this Clickbank account to you guys within a week to see if we were able to make $200 or not. If not, then anybody who comments underneath this video, like I was saying earlier in this video, I will go ahead and PayPal you $50 if I don't hit the quota of $200. Like if it's $199, if it's $170, if it's $199.99, then I lose the Clickbank challenge and basically have to chuck it up and pay somebody here on this video. Now, step number 4 of the process is to choose a Clickbank product. Okay, so the whole idea here is that you promote Clickbank products. Not every product that you review on step number 2 is a Clickbank product. However, it can send you traffic to your Clickbank product. And so whenever I go ahead and go into great detail about explaining this without like trying to sound like a scientist, the whole idea is that you take the traffic that's coming from these listings. Okay, so when people go to your video, let's say that you don't recommend the product, well, you can then recommend the Clickbank product that is in the top gravity of in the Clickbank marketplace. Now, I clicked on gravity here, and when you go to clickbank.com and you sign up for your account and you go to the marketplace, you'll see something that says e-business, e-marketing. So I clicked on results or sort results by gravity, and that allowed me to see the best performing offers. So I took a look at these offers already, and only like the top 3 of these products right here are the ones that I want to promote, just based on what I've seen on the sales page and then other reviews as well. With that being said, that allows me my control piece. This is where I'm going to be pushing most of my traffic to make sales, and all I've got to do again is get in front of the crowds of people who are actually buyers, predominantly buyers from other people's email lists that are going to YouTube and Google in order to find reviews on this product. And all you have to do is, yes, give them the review, okay, by looking at the affiliate page, looking at the sales page, and just giving them your best informed decision, and then also letting them know how many products that are behind this product, like how many upsells are behind it, and so on and so forth. So what you're doing is you're establishing trust with individuals that come to your video by giving them an honest review. And if you do like the product, especially if it's on Clickbank, then go ahead and recommend the product. And then obviously, if on top of recommending that product, you should definitely recommend your top 3 Clickbank products so that you can make commissions as well through Clickbank. Now, you could sign up through all of these other networks like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. In reality, it's a lot harder to get approved for products to actually make money by promoting their products. So in essence, it's almost like giving them an alley-oop if you see that the product is something that you like or you'd recommend to the crowd that's coming to the video for. Mainly when you're looking at these videos, these sales pages, you're looking for anything that may stand out to you. Any bold, ridiculous claims or anything like that definitely is, you want to push people over to a product where it's not ridiculous, bold claims or anything like that. So you just have to play tit for tat and plan your content accordingly. Now, next thing you do is obviously you're going to make the reviews, and you can see that these are plenty of reviews right here just for an example, so you know like how to put together everything here. And I can honestly tell you that they're using the same strategy. They're basically piggybacking off of the Clickbank product that we found, but then they're sending them over to their top recommended product, which is what most people do. And same thing for this one, same thing for, you can even see it in the top here, get my #1 recommended online training here. So basically they're building an email list too as well. And so like for me personally, just my backstory with doing this method, I made my first 200, my first 700, and my first $1,500 week just utilizing this strategy and not knowing what the heck I was doing. I definitely know a lot more now, since it's been about 8-10 years since I've been doing this method. And as you can see, there's so many people still doing this method, so it still works to this day. You just have to be diligent at getting these things done. You can't just do one review. You got to do plenty of reviews in order for it to work. So in this week, in 7 days, I'm going to do a few reviews on several different types of products, and if I can go ahead and make that $200 in commissions, definitely we're going to be revealing that. Either way, we're going to do another review here in 7 days of what happened when I did this challenge. Which brings me over to step number 6, which is create a capture page tool for your business. Okay, so basically there is a capture page tool that I use. It's called Kartra. They have a $1 trial, but it's an all-in-one platform that allows me to collect payments, create pages, and collect leads, send emails to my leads as well. So everything you need is all inside that one product called Kartra. And as you can see over here to the left hand side of the screen, this is a survey page where I'm able to get 50% opt-in rate on my page, which means that if I send 100 people to this page from YouTube, 50%, which is 50 of those people, will turn into leads into my business. Now the standard rate, or the standard going rate, is about 25 to 30% opt-in rate for any type of capture page that most people create. However, since I've been in the game for quite some time now, I understand exactly what helps to get the best opt-in rate for my pages, and that's the shortcut that we get to use here. So don't be a stranger. If you go to the link in the description that says my recommended top recommendation, if you click on that link, you'll see the page, my squeeze page. It looks exactly like this, and so you can copy every step of the way, get your Kartra account set up for $1, create your page, and then you'll be ready to actually start taking advantage of this challenge. Don't wait for 7 days to start utilizing this strategy, because it only takes a short period of time to actually start making money with this. Actually, the first video that you post on your YouTube channel can start making money immediately within 24 hours of posting that video. So you never know whenever you're utilizing this method. And the reason why this will work for most people is because we're going after keywords that don't have that much competition in terms of, like for example, matched up with how to make money online, right? It's thousands and hundreds of thousands of searches, and there's hundreds of thousands of videos that are coming out every single day going after that keyword of how to make money online. So it's a lot harder to actually break those types of keywords. So that brings me to my last point, which is after this challenge, in which I already explained the terms of this challenge anyways in the beginning. But after this challenge, I want to actually share with you guys within that video, when I'm revealing the stats of how much money was made using this strategy and so on and so forth, how many leads were generated, and all that different stuff. I want to share with you guys a strategy that is more long-term, because this strategy right here is a short-term, short gain strategy where you're only piggybacking off of launches, and after a launch pretty much dies down, the traffic for people going to YouTube and Google and doing research, unless it's like a evergreen tool, like a website builder, or some type of tool that people would use very often, they probably would go and purchase that product for a long period of time. Most of the time, I would say 90% of that traffic is going to be gone. And so what you need to do, or position yourself further on that YouTube channel, I'm going to give you the statistics what you need to do in order to basically make passive income from YouTube videos on these same products that you're promoting using the method I'm giving you inside this video anyways, okay? And so that'll make the process longer. It'll stop you from having to create so many review videos, and it'll also allow you to make passive income over time without having to make so many videos. Like I said again, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because as we're doing this, using this method, you want to get the notification exactly when I come out with the video update in 7 days from now, whenever this video is rendered and it is complete. Okay, I'm going to reveal to you how much money was made using this strategy, how many leads were generated using this strategy, the YouTube channel, the videos that I went after, the products that I'm promoting. You're going to learn everything inside that video. Okay, now if for whatever reason I don't make any money at all, or if I don't hit the quota of $200 like I said in this video, then I owe anyone who comments underneath this video, any questions that you ask, anything period that you comment down below enters you into the giveaway, which I'm going to be giving away the $50 to any individual randomly using the software if I don't hit that quota. If I do, then I'm not giving away anything whatsoever. So anyways, with that being said, guys, that's how it's going to work, and I hopefully you guys are going to follow through in all 6 of these steps and get this thing rolling for you and your family as well. With that being said, I look forward to basically sharing the next video with you, sharing the results, and hopefully helping a few of you actually take action, inspiring some of you to actually take action and start doing this. You guys take care, and I'll see you at the top.